Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Linguistic Channel. This is your trainer Muhammad Hussain Siddiqui, and today I brought before you guys list of 25 very effective and much used adverbs. So stay tuned, watch the complete video to learn all of them. So here we go. Number one is a bit. A bit means a small degree, somewhat, a bit, a little, a trifle. For example, it's a bit warm, right? Or a trifle smaller, right? This is an adverb which is a bit. So it's a bit warm, it's an adverb. Next is a fortiori. Fortiori, right? How do you pronounce it? You need to understand it. It's a fortiori. It's an adverb. It means with greater reasons for a still stronger, more certain reason, right? Which means like, you know, something which has a specific or a strong reason, right? So if you are wrong, then a fortiori, so I am. अगर तुम किसी खास वजह से गलत हो तो मैं भी किसी खास वजह से गलत हूँ. This means that. Okay. The next two idioms are, number one is a great deal, means a great deal or extent, a great deal, a lot, lots, much, very much. For example, I feel a lot better. The next example is, I did a great deal of babysitting, right? So you can say, I did a great deal of babysitting. This is why I'm too good in babysitting, right? So it means like something to an extent, something, you know, to a longer period, long time, a lot times, or whatever. Next one is a bed. A bed means in bed. For example, she's resting a bed. मतलब वो बिस्तर में आराम कर रही है. Or you can say, I think I should be resting a bed right now. इसका मतलब होता है in bed. जैसे कि आप बोलते हैं ना, I'm going in my bed. So you don't need to use it, like you can just, you know, improve your speaking, your vocabulary this way, and you can say I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed, it's going to mean बिस्तर में होना, कि मैं अपने बिस्तर में जा रहा हूँ. The other two, fifth and sixth, the one is Ably, which means with competence, in a competent, capable manner. Other adverbs can be used as ably, aptly, capably, competently, right? Next, I mean, the example is the work competently, right? It's just, it's not it's what I have written in short, right? It is competently. Or you can say the word ably, right? It came out of able, right? A-B-L-E, A-B-L-Y means ably. Next is abnormally, which is an adverb. It means in an abnormal manner. For example, they were behaving abnormally. But something which is not normal. It's a very commonly used adverb though. I don't think I need to go into it. So it's just like something that is abnormal. जो चीज़ normal नहीं है वो abnormal है. Normally मतलब जैसे आमतौर पे होता है. Abnormally जैसे आमतौर पे नहीं होता है. गैर मामूली तौर पे. Next is aboard. Aboard means on a ship, train, plane, or other vehicle. Aboard, on board. इसका मतलब होता है आप कहीं पे सफ़र कर रहे हो, किसी गाड़ी में हो, किसी जहाज़ पे हो या कहीं भी हो. जैसे अगर आप बोलोगे I'm aboard, means मैं निकल गया हूँ, मैं रास्ते में हूँ, मैं गाड़ी में हूँ. ठीक है? It's going to mean this, about. We use lot, which is used for like approximately, around, close to, मतलब तकरीबन, but we do not know that it's an adverb, right? So, for example, lasted approximately an hour. मतलब ये रहा तकरीबन एक घंटे तक. या फिर you can say he's about 30 years old. मतलब वो तकरीबन 30 साल का है. You can use approximately in the second example and about in the first example. For example, कि भाई lasted about an hour. He's approximately 30 years old. तो इन दोनों के meanings में कोई खास फर्क नहीं है. जो यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं around, close to, just, about, more or less, or so, roughly, some, ये सारे के सारे synonyms हैं एक दूसरे के. Means you can use some more vocabularies as well. Next, above all. आपने अक्सर सुना होगा above all के बारे में कि भाई मतलब सबसे पहले, मतलब सबसे पहले, prior to everyone, prior to everything. बोलते ना above all listen to me, सबसे पहले मेरी बात सुनो. Above all, why did you do that? सबसे पहले तुमने ये क्यों किया? Here you see above and beyond all other consideration. Above all, most especially, most importantly. Example, above all you must be independent. मतलब सबसे पहले तुम्हें independent होना जरूरी है. And other word which is abroad. Abroad हम सबको मालूम है, लेकिन हमें लगता है सिर्फ अंग्रेजों के countries को abroad कहा जाता है. For them, Pakistan is abroad, right? अगर वो यहाँ आते हैं तो this is an abroad country for them, means to or in a foreign country, मतलब किसी दूसरे country में होना. Example, they had never traveled abroad. Next, abruptly. Abruptly means quickly, फौरन. जैसे कि he stopped abruptly, मतलब कि वो फौरन रुक गया. You can say he asked abruptly, मतलब उसने फौरन मुझसे सवाल पूछ लिया. ठीक है. Next is absently. Absently का बहुत आसान है. You know the meaning and it means absently means absent होते हुए, मतलब खाली दिमाग, मतलब he read the letter absently, मतलब उसने बिल्कुल गैर मतलब concentration के साथ वो नहीं पढ़ा लेटर. The next adverb we have got is called acutely. Acutely means with reference to something unpleasant, unwelcomed, intensely. Means something which is not welcome, जो चीज मतलब आपको नाखुशगवार गुजरे. ठीक है. Example, the whole situation is acutely embarrassing. मतलब वो बहुत ज्यादा बुरी situation है पूरी की पूरी. He was acutely aware of his own shortcomings. मतलब वो अच्छी तरह से अपनी गलतियों को, अपनी खामियों को जानता था. The next idiom we have is called adamantly. Adamantly means inflexibly, unshakably. मतलब आपको जैसे क्या बोलते हैं ना कि यार जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल यहाँ लिखी हुई, he adamantly opposed to marriage. मतलब उसने बहुत सख्ती से, मतलब आप उसको उस जगह से अब हिला नहीं सकते, उसके फैसले से अब आप हिला नहीं सकते उसको. उसने उतना ज्यादा सख्ती से अपना वो फैसला सुनाया. After this we have additionally. Additionally means in addition to something, in a way of addition, furthermore, additionally to boot. For example, he serves additionally as the CEO. मतलब वो किसी और चीज के साथ साथ CEO की पोजीशन पे भी काम करता है. Next is admirably, means in an admirable manner, means तारीफ वाले तरीके में, admire करते हुए. जैसे कि child responses were admirably normal. मतलब बच्चों के जो responses थे वो तारीफ के काबिल थे क्योंकि वो normal थे. Next we have here is admittedly, which means as acknowledged, मतलब जानकारी में रखते हुए. ऐसे कि true, she is the smartest kid in her class, right? She is the smartest kid in our class. For example, अब यहाँ पे देखें true, she is the smartest kid in her class. Or you can hear written here admittedly, मतलब ये बात मानी जाती है कि भाई she is the smartest kid in her class. Next we have here is advisedly, मतलब with intention, जानबूझकर, intentionally, deliberately, purposely, ये सारे उसके सिनोनिम यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं. जैसे कि he used the word intentionally या फिर advisedly, मतलब उसने जानबूझ के वो काम किया या वो word बोला. And the last word is called afterward. Afterward का मतलब होता है उसके बाद, उसके फौरन बाद. जैसे कि he apologized subsequently and it didn't happen afterward, right? For example, he apologized subsequently and it didn't happen afterward. मतलब उसने उसके बाद माफी मांग ली और उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. I hope everything is clear to you guys and there is no question. If there is any question, do drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.
For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.